A little cloudy out there, but it's still really comfortable for Grand Rapids and all of West Michigan. And looking out into the distance, we can see a little bit of that cloud cover. Really nice in general, the cloud cover helping us to stay a little bit warmer by preventing any of that heat from escaping back out to space. And we are 59 degrees right now in Grand Rapids. Some spots are even a little bit warmer along the lakeshore, low 60s, which for this time of year, we should have temperatures that are much colder than this, probably into the low 40s. So we are significantly warmer. Even some of our cooler spots like Coldwater at 52, really not that bad compared to average. There is a cold front that is coming through, and that's the source of the cloud cover. This will pass through dry overnight, and then there is a little bit of cloud cover on the backside as well. But we should see a decent amount of sunshine tomorrow, and it will end up being a really good day, very similar to today in terms of temperatures. Probably our last sunny and 70-degree day for a little while. There is some moisture back in the Four Corners region that is going to slide up our direction. That will be our first potential chance for rain on Wednesday. Not expecting a lot of rain from that, and it will not affect our morning commute. It'll be out of here well before that, but that is the start of a more unsettled pattern that, especially as we get towards the end of the week and the weekend, we'll see some much better chances for rain. Tonight, though, it is going to be mostly cloudy to partly cloudy at times, lows right around 53, and then recovering tomorrow into the upper 60s and low 70s. Feeling so good, especially with all of the sunshine. There will be a few clouds here and there, but we should be right around 62 for high temperatures this time of year. So this is well above that. Even some of our cooler spots like Hart and Big Rapids in the upper 60s still running above average. As we head through early Wednesday morning, that's going to be our first chance for rain. Then Thursday night into early Friday, we'll see another chance for rain. And then the weekend, this is when it looks like it is going to definitely be fairly rainy. Not saying you should expect a washout, but there will be some periods of some decently heavy rain that we do desperately need. But because it's the weekend, you may want to make sure that you have backup plan for any of those outdoor plans you might have, just in case. Cold front overnight will move through, no problems with that at all, and then we'll be all clear through tomorrow until this burst of moisture heads our way early Wednesday morning. It's really late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, the overnight time frame, and it should be pretty light rain. You can see how quickly it moves through, and there is a lot of dry air at the surface, so even though this looks like it could be pretty heavy rain, it is likely to only give us a few hundredths of an inch of rain. And then high pressure settles in, pushes all those clouds away, and Thursday will likely be a very sunny day. Wednesday it will kind of be a mix of sun and clouds into the afternoon. Not a lot of rain Wednesday, only a couple hundredths of an inch, but it looks like we could get upwards of half an inch to maybe even an inch of rain with the systems that start to come through Friday into the weekend. So some much needed big time rain for us as we have about an 8.5 inch rain deficit for the year. Getting several days of rain resulting in half an inch to an inch or maybe even more would do wonders for our drought. It's also going to tank our temperatures to the 50s Monday.